Welcome back, Road Warriors. This is Healthy Miles Media with Peter and Lori. My name is Lori, and in today's video we're going to be doing an unsolicited product review for something that we just recently found out about. It's called the Hot Logic Electric Lunchbox, and this is going to give you the ability to have a home-cooked meal on the road. Stay tuned. Recently, somebody let us know about this product through Facebook, and we decided to order one and try it out. The one that we ordered is the Hot Logic Mini Electric Lunchbox. And this is an insulated bag that has a heating element in the bottom. This one is about 7 inches by 9 inches by 3 inches deep. And it came with 3 really nice heavy casserole dishes, and each of them has a nice sealing lid so that you can put your food in here into the Hot Logic, and it will heat it up to 165 degrees. So that's going to fully cook fish or chicken. I'm not sure that I would try a red meat in here. The first thing that we tried on the road was a lemon pepper cod, and it worked out really well. Now, the one that we ordered is a 110. And the cord just neatly tucks into the back of the bag like this when you're not using it. If you don't have access to the 110 in your truck, you can order this with the 12-volt cord. We're going to be making a chicken breast stuffed with mozzarella cheese and spinach, and then fully cooking it in our Hot Logic. This is about 4 ounces of mozzarella cheese that's been shredded. And then 1 cup of cooked spinach that's had the moisture squeezed out of it. And just mix this together. Add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. And this is what your filling should look like. We're going to start today by butterflying our chicken breast so that we can get it uniformly thin before we put the filling in. And this is easy to do. You're going to need a good sharp knife. And if your chicken breast is a real thick one like these, you'll start in about the top third of the chicken breast. Cut to the side, but don't cut all the way through. Okay, and you're going to lay that open and flip this around, and then cut over here like that. Let me do the other one now. Okay, now if you have a meat mallet, you could pound this down to get a uniform 1/4 inch thickness. I can't find my meat mallet, so I'm going to do this a different way. I'm going to cover it with some clear plastic wrap and roll it with my rolling pin. This does not have to be perfect, thankfully. That should be good. We'll use about a 1/4 cup of the filling for each chicken breast. I can see that I'm going to have a lot of filling left over, which is fine because I have some chicken breasts left over as well. Put it in the middle. You don't want to get these overstuffed where everything's going to seep out of the middle. And then you're going to need some toothpicks to secure it after you roll it up. So just put that in the middle, put your filling in the middle like that, and then roll this up as tight as you can. Use some toothpicks to secure it. And you can get carried away with these toothpicks. I frequently will use about 6, 7, 8 of these per chicken breast, because it's best if you make sure that that stuff is not going to come out while it's cooking. That's pretty good. Okay. This is what it should look like after you've rolled your chicken breast. Now we're going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil over the top. Brush it with a pastry brush. And then sprinkle it with breadcrumbs that have been seasoned with about a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning to half a cup of breadcrumbs. Put the lid on, and it's ready to go into the Hot Logic. It's ready to go into the Hot Logic, and it'll take about 2 hours to cook. So this is not really fast. You need to plan ahead when you're going to eat your meal. But trust me, this is going to taste so much better than if you just microwave something. There's something about microwaving meat that just gives it this strange texture and flavor. And you're not going to get that with the Hot Logic. This is going to taste like a home-cooked meal. Our spinach and mozzarella stuffed chicken breast have been in the Hot Logic for about 2.5 hours now, and we're ready to eat. Don't worry about burning something, because at 165 degrees, if you leave this in the Hot Logic for a little bit longer than you had planned, it's going to be fine still. Ooh, I wish you could smell this. It smells really good, and there's steam coming off of it. Don't be so anxious to dive into this that you forget to take out all of these toothpicks. We'll come back in just a minute when we have this on our plate. I've added some roasted carrots to round this meal out. This is simple, nutritious, and it smells delicious.
Thank you, Annie. This really looks delicious. Gesundheit.
Gesundheit.